Reach is a Leopard 50 built in Woodstock, South Africa. She's an owner's edition, which means she's got 3 cabins and sleeps 6. 1 large master cabin on the starboard side and then 2 smaller cabins on the port side.
We have plenty of water activities on board. We have 2 paddle boards, 2 sea scooters,
2 little propellers, and you pull triggers and you can zoom around the water.
We have a tube that can be towed behind the dinghy.
2 of the places we stop on most of our itineraries is the Indians and the caves, and they're 2 of the best snorkeling spots in town by far. It's just a real pleasure to get to show them just the total abundance of marine life that is in the BVI.
We're in Valley Trunk Bay right now, which is just north of the baths. The baths are basically giant rocks called batholiths. They're volcanic rocks. When we take you, we'll take you on a short walk through a beautiful trail, and you get to walk through the batholiths into the caves. Really picturesque, amazing spots for photographs and to play in the water. You can climb up and down the rocks, and at the end you're greeted with a beautiful white bay.
One of the spots we stop on Norman Island is Willie T's. It's a floating barge sort of boat that they've turned into a bar, and they've got some awesome drinks there, you know, good music, good vibes, and you can jump off the top. It usually ends up being a very fun day.
A typical day on charter is waking up to the sunrise in a beautiful bay, enjoying a beautiful breakfast spread, having some lunch, a swim, a snorkel, and some cocktails with the captain, and then settling down for the night and ready for the next day. We're thrilled to welcome you on board Reach and show you all the amazing things the BVI has in store for you.